In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. A hanging indent is a useful formatting style where the first line of your paragraph aligns with the left margin, while each subsequent line is indented. It's commonly used in bibliographies, reference lists, and certain types of legal documents. Mastering this technique can enhance the readability and professional appearance of your documents. So, let's dive into these simple methods to set up a hanging indent. First, let's explore how you can achieve this using the paragraph dialog box. Begin by selecting the paragraph or paragraphs where you want to apply the hanging indent. Once your paragraphs are selected, navigate to the Home tab on the Word toolbar. In this tab, look for the paragraph group. There, you'll see a small arrow located in the bottom right corner. Click on this arrow to open the Paragraph Settings dialog launcher. Inside this dialog box, ensure you're on the Indents and Spacing tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Indentation. Under this section, look for a drop-down menu called Special. From this drop-down, select the Hanging option. This will apply a hanging indent to your selected paragraphs. If you wish, you can customize how far the indent will go by setting a specific value under the special drop-down. For example, you might choose 0.5 inches or 1.27 centimeters, depending on your needs. Once you have everything set up, click OK. Your selected paragraph should now display a distinct hanging indent, with the first line flush to the margin and the rest nicely indented. If you're someone who prefers a more visual approach, you might find using the ruler more intuitive. To use this method, ensure that the ruler is visible in your Word interface. If it isn't, simply go to the View tab and check the box labeled Ruler. Once the ruler is visible, select the paragraph or multiple paragraphs. On the ruler itself, you'll notice two triangular markers and a rectangular marker. The top triangle is known as the first line indent marker, while the bottom triangle represents the left indent, which applies to all lines except the first. To create a hanging indent, drag the bottom triangle to the right, perhaps about half an inch, leaving the top triangle in its original place at the left margin. This creates that hanging indent effect visually. Lastly, if you prefer quick keyboard shortcuts, there's a simple way to apply a hanging indent. On Windows, you can select the desired paragraphs and press Ctrl+T. For Mac users, it's typically Command+T, depending on your version of Word. These shortcuts immediately apply the hanging indent without navigating any menus. And there you have it, 3 effective ways to create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. Choose the one that best fits your style and give your documents that polished look with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy formatting!